How do you make a good impression to your colleagues and your manager in your first job? You are employed to do a specific thing. So do what you are actually employed to do. You need to be proactive. Always ask yourself, is there a better way to do this thing? In terms of even proactivity, when you're expected to deliver, always make sure you deliver that particular thing that time. If you're not able to deliver, do not wait for your peer or your manager to actually ask you. Always be the first one to say, I'm having these challenges or I'm not able to deliver, but this is what I'm doing. So you're just not saying that you're not able to deliver, but what are the challenges and what are you doing, or are there things that you need to actually be helped? You want to try as much as possible to relate with everyone. So not all the time you're just calling or walking to their desk to ask for help. Remember, they also have other things going on in their lives. They have projects, they have tasks they're trying to complete. So you have to be empathetic. Probably the world is crumbling and you're coming in with your own demands.